How to sync Outlook calendar with iPhone. Firstly, open Settings on your device. After opening Settings, scroll down, click on the option Apps. Now here, look for the app Calendar. If you cannot find it, then you can simply go to the search bar at the top. Now inside, you will see different options like these. Now here you will see Calendar Accounts at the top. Click on Calendar Accounts. You will see two accounts, iCloud and your Gmail. Select the option Add Account. Now select Outlook.com. After this, you will need to add credentials of your Outlook account. That means verify your Microsoft account. Once you do that, then it will be added to your account. After adding the Outlook account, make sure you select it inside Calendar, and just like that, your Outlook account will be synced to your calendar. If you are having any problem with the Microsoft account, you can simply forget password. That's all for today. Thank you.